Are you tired of typing out long messages on your phone to send on WhatsApp? Good news, you can now record and send messages using your computer. Here's how to do it. First, you'll need to install the WhatsApp desktop application on your computer. To do this, double-click the installer file, which will end with .exe on Windows and DMG on macOS. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once you've installed the application, open it and scan the displayed QR code with your phone's WhatsApp app to link the two devices. Now you're ready to start recording and sending messages from your computer. To record a voice message, open an individual or group chat in the WhatsApp desktop app. Then, click the microphone icon and start speaking. Once you've finished recording, click the checkmark icon to send the message. While recording a message, you can click the X icon to cancel it, or the red pause button to pause recording and preview a draft of your message. And there you have it, now you know how to record and send a voice message using your computer on WhatsApp.